Ready to see how wild electric trikes have become? These machines are faster, stronger, and more advanced than ever, and yes, you can actually buy them. From insane speed boosts to designs that look straight out of the future, these rides will blow your mind. Wait until you see the final one. Number 22. ARISETAN Electric Trike. Don't let the low number fool you. This one still packs a punch. The ARISETAN Electric Trike is a practical three-wheeler designed for serious riders who want power and stability. It delivers enough motor output and battery to take you well beyond short commutes. If you're looking for a reliable trike to haul gear, hit daily errands or cruise streets without worry, this is your starter power machine. It's the kind of trike that travels farther and steadier than most typical e-bikes. Number 21. ADDMOTOR GREATTAN. Sliding up the list, we've got the ADDMOTOR GREATTAN. This one is louder, stronger, built for bigger loads. Think fat tires, a robust frame, and a battery that makes just cruising turn into serious ride time. If you've got cargo, you've got size, you've got ambition, this trike handles it. It's aggressive in design and purpose. Number 20. Eatich Electric Tricycle. Here's one for those who want power without too much bulk. The Eatich Electric Tricycle blends performance with maneuverability, so you're getting muscle but still staying agile. Good motor, dependable battery, and enough real-world capability to surprise you. If you hate feeling like you're on a toy and want something you feel, this belongs in your view. Number 19. MAXFOOT MF33 Electric Tricycle. Stepping up further, the MF33 from MAXFOOT brings premium features, a bigger range, and a bigger frame. If you were tired of feeling limited, this fixes that. You'll feel that power in the motor, you'll notice the frame doesn't flex like cheap ones, you'll get more miles, and more confidence for riders who know what they want and won't settle for meh. Number 18. Grandtan 2. Finally, for this first batch, number 20, Grandtan 2. This one hits the sweet spot between comfort and power. It gives wide tires, a solid battery, a big motor, but also the feeling of, I could ride this all day. It's not just drag strip ready, though it's got that in it, but it's also the ride you won't hate after 30 miles. Balanced, but still ferocious when you lean in. Number 17. Meet One Folding Electric Trike. Now we jump into the machines that don't just ride hard, they adapt. The Meet One Folding Electric Trike snaps shut fast, making it a monster you can actually store. Don't let the folding part fool you though. This thing pushes real torque and handles tight turns without shaking apart like cheaper models. It's perfect if you want power, but don't have space for a full-size beast. Compact, angry, and ready to move whenever you are. Number 16. Siesta Electric Trike. Sliding straight in, the Siesta Electric Trike is for riders who want comfort without sacrificing muscle. This trike looks calm, but the motor hits harder than you expect. It's built with a laid-back riding position, thick tires, and a battery that doesn't quit early. It's the kind of machine that makes long routes feel easy until you push that throttle, and it suddenly turns into something wild. Smooth ride, reckless energy underneath. Number 15. Viribus Folding Electric Trike. Another folding unit, but far more aggressive. The Viribus doesn't mess around. You get a strong motor, a real cargo setup, and a battery meant for everyday use without babysitting. It folds, it rolls, it carries, and it does it with attitude. If you live in an apartment or a tight neighborhood, but still want serious power, this one solves that problem. No excuses. It's built for people who want portability without sacrificing the punch. Number 14. Narrak Electric Trike. The Narrak comes in swinging with fat tires, a heavy-duty frame, and a motor that kicks from the moment you start pedaling. This isn't a flimsy commuter. This is a street-ready muscle trike. It handles bumps, hills, bad pavement, and long distances like it's nothing. You feel the stability instantly, and the power keeps pushing long after other trikes tap out. Narrak is for riders who want control and brute force in one package. Number 13. ADDMOTOR Electric Trike. Now things get serious. ADDMOTOR's larger trike lineup brings torque, range, fat tire dominance, and a frame built for real-world abuse. This model carries heavy loads without whining, hits strong top speeds for its size, and delivers one of the longest ranges in its class. It's the kind of trike people buy when they're done messing around with weak motors. This one was designed to work, hauls groceries, pets, gear, anything, and still keeps charging forward. We're officially entering the part of the list where these trikes start looking more like mini electric vehicles than bicycles. Number 12. Actbest Electric Trike. The Actbest Electric Trike is the point where strong turns into you better hold on. This thing comes with a motor that pushes harder than most entry-level e-bikes and a frame built to stay steady even when you crank the power. Its cargo rack is no joke either, perfect for riders who treat errands like missions. If you want a trike that can sprint, climb, and carry without feeling sluggish, Actbest hits that sweet, brutal spot. Number 11. QLIFE Electric Trike. QLIFE steps in with a trike that's secretly a powerhouse. It doesn't look aggressive at first, but when you hit that throttle, you understand immediately why it made this list. It pulls hard off the line, handles extra weight without complaining, and stays stable when other trikes wobble like shopping carts. It's ideal for riders who want speed and comfort combined, daily commuters, weekend riders, anyone who wants reliability with extra bite. Number 10. Geemax Electric Trike. The Geemax Electric Trike is built for riders who don't trust flimsy builds. It's low, wide, and holds the road like it was glued to it. The electric motor pushes enough torque to climb rough hills, and the battery gives you solid, real-world range. What makes it stand out is how controlled it feels. Nothing rattles, nothing shakes, nothing gets sloppy. It's the quiet type of trike that surprises people with how powerful it actually is. Number 9. SOUMYE Electric Trike. Now we're getting into the top-tier territory. SOUMYE brings a trike with thick tires, a stronger-than-average motor, and a battery that doesn't quit early. This one's designed for long rides, big loads, and riders who expect their machine to keep up with their plans. It corners better than most heavy trikes and doesn't jerk when you accelerate. If you want something that feels premium without the elite price tag, SOUMYE is your go-to beast. Number 8. TOPMATE S31. The TOPMATE ES31 changes the vibe completely. This trike is smaller, sharper, and absolutely explosive for its size. It folds, it fits anywhere, and it still blasts forward with surprising speed. It's the trike you take when you want something fun, fast, and compact enough to hide under your desk. Don't underestimate it. This little machine punches above its weight and embarrasses heavier trikes with its acceleration. Number 7. EMOJO Electric Tricycle. Now the power starts getting real. The EMOJO Electric Tricycle comes with fat tires, a reinforced frame, and a motor that hits harder than the mid-range options below it. This trike is built for rough streets, long hauls, and riders who never want to feel limited. It handles weight like nothing, and the stability is insane for its size. EMOJO didn't build this for beginners. They built it for riders who want muscle on 3 wheels. Number 6. 3-score Electric Fat Trike. The 3-score Fat Trike is a straight-up monster. Huge tires, big torque, and a battery system that laughs at long-distance rides. This is the kind of trike you take when you want power that feels illegal. It grips the road, crushes hills, and carries heavy loads without losing speed. Everything about it screams overbuilt. If you want a trike that feels closer to a mini electric ATV than a bicycle, this is the one you choose. Number 5. DWMEIGI Electric Trike. DWMEIGI built this trike for riders who demand range and strength at the same time. The battery is massive, the frame is heavy-duty, and the motor pushes steady power even up brutal inclines. Its cargo setup is one of the most practical on the entire list, turning this trike into a daily work machine. Delivery riders, commuters, or anyone who wants a dependable powerhouse will love this one. It's tough, smooth, and designed to survive real-world abuse. Number 4. PUCKIPUPPY Electric Tricycle. Breaking into the top 5, PUCKIPUPPY brings pure force. This isn't a casual ride. It's a heavy-duty electric trike built for riders who want dominance on the road. The frame is tough, the battery is large, and the torque snaps instantly when you hit the throttle. It carries more weight than almost anything below it on the list, and keeps pushing even when fully loaded. This thing feels unstoppable, and that alone earns it a top 5 spot. Number 3. ANCHEER Electric Tricycle. The ANCHEER isn't just powerful, it's reckless in the best way. This thing launches harder than most budget e-bikes even dream of. The frame is thick, the battery is oversized, and the motor hits with a punch that surprises first-time riders. It handles cargo, hills, and long commutes without even warming up. ANCHEER built this for domination, not comfort. If you want a trike that feels like a workhorse with the heart of a street racer, this is it. Number 2. DoCred Electric Tricycle. DoCred storms into the top 3 with brute strength. It's one of the most stable trikes you can buy, and the motor torque is wild, instant, loud, and impossible to ignore. The battery setup pushes long mileage, and the frame is built to carry serious weight without wobbling. DoCred didn't hold back. They built this thing to survive real punishment, from city potholes to country roads. It's big, bold, and designed to make every ride feel unstoppable. Number 1. QRONGE Electric Tricycle. QRONGE hits almost motorcycle territory without crossing the line. The power is borderline ridiculous. The torque slams forward the second you twist the throttle, and the fat tire stance keeps the whole machine glued to the ground. Range is excellent, load capacity is huge, and the ride feels smoother than it should for something this aggressive. QRONGE isn't for beginners. It's for riders who want something that looks innocent but hits like a freight train. Easily one of the strongest trikes of 2025.